While it may be possible to remove the trays without safely raising and supporting your vehicle, I would not try. You must support your vehicle at the factory jack points, as anywhere else is dangerous and will interfere with the tray removal. There are 5 under trays on the 991. All the trays interact with each other in that the different trays share some of the same fasteners. With how the trays sit together in their edges, you will remove them in the order of the rear, green arrow, front, blue arrow, sides, red arrows, and center, yellow arrow. Remove the 10 T25 torque screws and 6 10mm nuts on the rear body tray. Then remove the rear body tray. Remove the 14 T25 torque screws and 2 10mm nuts on the front body tray. Then remove the front body tray. Remove the 3 T25 torque screws and 3 10mm nuts on the passenger side body tray. Then you can remove the side body tray. Remove the 1 T25 torque screw and the 4 10mm nuts on the driver's side body tray. Remove the driver's side body tray. Remove the 4 T25 torque screws and 4 10mm nuts on the center body tray. Remove the center tray. You now have clear access to all the underbody components. Installations of all the panels is the reverse of removal, and torque all fasteners to 2.8 Newton meters or 2 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.